So when you're thinking about protecting the intellectual property rights in your dress design, the first category of rights to think about are design rights. There's two types of design rights, registered and unregistered. The better of the two to focus on first is registered design rights, because they afford a longer period of protection, which is 25 years, and you have certainty around the scope of your design. The principal requirement for a valid and enforceable registered design is that the design must be novel, which means that it can't produce the same overall impression as any design that's already out there, and your own design can't invalidate its own novelty, so you have to register it within 12 months of it being out there in the public domain. In addition to registered design rights, you also have unregistered design rights, which broadly speaking protect the same types of designs. However, there are two major drawbacks when comparing unregistered and registered design rights. The first is that the evidentiary burden for unregistered design rights is higher, because you have to prove things like subsistence and ownership, and you have to prove copying in an infringement scenario. In addition, unregistered design rights last for a shorter period of time, 3 to 15 years as opposed to 25 years for registered design rights. And lastly, whenever you're thinking about dress designs, always think about the other rights as well. Copyright, trademarks, trade secrets, patents can also be relevant to dress designs. So if you're thinking of protecting your rights, take advice from an IP specialist early.